Welcome to my YouTube channel Advance Info. Watch, like and share this video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is love from your side. Boston Children's Museum. Boston Children's Museum is a world-renowned museum that has been dedicated to providing a fun and educational experience for children and families since it opened its doors in 1913. Located in Boston, Massachusetts, the museum is one of the oldest and largest children's museums in the world, with over 50,000 square feet of exhibit space and over 1 million visitors each year. The museum's mission is to inspire children and families to learn about the world around them through interactive exhibits and hands-on experiences. The exhibits at the Boston Children's Museum cover a wide range of topics, from science and technology to culture and history, and are designed to be both fun and educational. One of the most popular exhibits at the Boston Children's Museum is the Science Playground, which features a range of interactive exhibits that allow children to explore the world of science and technology. Children can experiment with water and light, explore the properties of magnets, and learn about the human body through interactive displays. Another popular exhibit is the New Balance Foundation Climb, a 3-story climbing structure that challenges children to climb and explore. The exhibit is designed to help children develop their gross motor skills, as well as their problem-solving and spatial awareness skills. The museum also has a number of exhibits that focus on culture and history, including the Japanese house, a traditional Japanese home that has been reconstructed inside the museum. Visitors to the Japanese house can explore the different rooms and learn about Japanese culture and customs. The Boston Children's Museum also has a variety of exhibits that are designed specifically for young children, including the Play Space exhibit, which is designed for children under the age of 3. The exhibit features a variety of hands-on activities and play areas that encourage young children to explore and learn. In addition to its exhibits, the Boston Children's Museum also has a variety of educational programs and events throughout the year. The museum offers a variety of workshops, classes, and camps that are designed to help children learn about science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM, subjects, as well as art, culture, and history. The Boston Children's Museum is committed to making its exhibits and programs accessible to all children and families. The museum offers a variety of programs and resources for children with disabilities, including sensory-friendly exhibits and programs, assistive technology, and adaptive equipment. Overall, the Boston Children's Museum is a world-class museum that offers a fun and educational experience for children and families. With its interactive exhibits, hands-on activities, and engaging educational programs, the museum is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to learn and explore the world around them. Thanks for watching this informative video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel Advance Info.